Right, in this video we're going to work out the following integral. The integral of 1 over square root of x minus 3 dx. Now, using the square root of x is x to the half, and that 1 over x to the n is x to the minus n, you can rewrite this integral as the integral of x minus 3 to the power of minus 1/2 dx. Right, if we now try x minus 3 to 1 more than minus 1/2, which is 1/2, so adding 1 to the power, so we're going to try x minus 3 to the power 1/2, and then differentiate that using the chain rule. Then bring down the half, write down the same bracket, and reduce the power by 1 to get minus 1/2. Now we've got minus 1/2, and then also differentiate the bracket in this case, which is 1, which won't make any difference, but don't forget to differentiate the bracket. So this will become 2, because you have to compensate for the half by putting 2 in front of your guess. X minus 3 to the power of 1/2 plus c. Rewriting this back using this rule here, that becomes 2 root x minus 3 plus c as the final answer. So this has been a video to show you how to do the integral of a square root function, 1 over a reciprocal with a square root in, using the reverse of the chain rule. I hope you've understood, and I thank you very much for watching.